guys, it's me, Haley, and I'm back with another video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, notification bell. Also, just do whatever. Comment down below karaoke if you like my singing. Also, I'm going to be, I don't know if I told you this already, but I'm going to be doing some karaoke. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Haley. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, all that good stuff. So, yeah. Anyways, but let's get started. Right now I'm going to be singing 7 Years by Lucas Graham. So, yeah, hope you enjoy. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go get yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking urban, drinking, burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun, my life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure, cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor, and if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old, our songs have been sold, we've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon I'll be 30 years old. Whew. I'm still learning about life, I women got children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm so sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go get yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old. Hope you enjoyed that one. Comment down below 7 karaoke if you liked the 7 years one. So, I'm going to be doing some Lost Boy karaoke because that's what I want to do, okay? This is by Ruth B. So, yeah. Just give it a minute. Because, you know, it's just not working. Finally! There you go! It's working! Kind of, I guess. The outlines are good. Oh god. There we go. Gosh. Again, this is Lost Boy. There was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man and the moon, and even sometimes he would go away too. Then one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying high. He came to me with the sweetest smile. He told me he wanted to talk for a while. He said, Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely ever since that day. I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And with my boy we'll play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all of reality. Neverland's home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland's home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. He sprinkled me in pixie dust and told me to believe in him and believe in me. Together we will fly away in a cloud of green to your beautiful destiny. As we soared above the town that never loved me, I realized I finally had a family. Soon enough we reached Neverland. Peacefully my feet hit the sound, and ever since that day, I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored we'll play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they'd say to me, away from all of reality. Neverland's home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland's home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, Wendy, darling, even Captain Hook, you are my perfect storybook. Neverland, I love you so. You are now my home, sweet home forever. A lost boy at last. Peter Pal, Tinker Bell, Wendy, darling, even Captain Hook, you are my perfect storybook. Neverland, I love you so. You are now my home, sweet home forever. A lost boy at last. And for always, I will say you. I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan, and when we're bored we'll play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they'd say to me, away from all of reality. Neverland's home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland's home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. So I absolutely did not like that one at all, so it just makes me really mad because I don't like that one at all. But yeah, I did not do very good on the high notes. I was like, ah! But if you did like this one better than the other one, comment down Lost Boy Karaoke. So yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye!